What will your life look like if you earn $1,000 commission while doing the things you love without sacrificing your time and your freedom? What's up, everyone? Bimpe here with a very special information. And guess what? While I was here giving you this information, I just got another chanching, a 1,000 commission just to roll in right here, right now, while I'm in my genius zone and living my best life. Now, here is the exciting part. Today marks one of the first day of our 10K before the end of 2024 challenge. Let me ask you, are you ready to finish this year strong? Because believe it or not, there are still over 30 days left to make magic happen. Whether you are already part of a business opportunity or you are just exploring options, this system is the game changer you've been waiting for. So why? Because it's designed to automate your sales, streamline your follow-ups with prospects who are asking for more information. So it saves you precious time while maximizing your results. Everything is set up for you. No guesswork, no overwhelm. From automated emails to high-converting funnels, this system does the heavy lifting so you can just focus on scaling on your business and living your life. So now, I know some of you might be thinking, but Bimpe, does this work for my business? Let me tell you, yes. This system is compatible with any product, any service or affiliate program you are promoting. No matter what your niche is, it helps you to close more sales while driving massive traffic to your offers. Want to earn 1,000, 300, 600 or 100 in instant commissions? Imagine seeing those payments hit your account while you are out here for a walk, enjoying the time with your family, or even on vacation. Here's what you need to do next. Send me a DM with the word "how," or you click on the link below or above, anywhere. Watch the short video that explains exactly how this works. Get started today and position yourself to start earning immediately. There's no better time to take action than right now. Let's make these last few weeks of 2024 the most profitable, exciting game and changing days of your year. You deserve it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, learn how this system can transform your business and your life, and join us on this amazing journey. I will see you at the top. Remember, you've got this, and I'm here to empower you every step of the way. Yes to your success.